Welcome. In front of me is a Poco M6 Pro, and today I will show you how you can insert your SIM card into this phone. Now to get started, you will need to grab a SIM eject tool, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, though you do have to first take off a case from your device if you have one on. And the tray is located on the top left side of the phone, as you can see right here, where the pin is holding right now. You want to push that pin in, and you can see that the tray will pop out enough for you to be able to grab it and pull it out. Now we also have space for an SD card on here, so I'm going to grab one as well. Now the SD tray looks a little bit wonky because you can actually place two different SIM cards on here, which would exclude usage of SD card. But that being said, you can place one of your SIM cards sideways like so if you're planning to use two SIM cards. If you're only going to be using one SIM card, then just move it over to the dedicated spot, and that leaves a space for also the SD card next to it. Now once your cards are in place, carefully insert it back into your device. Carefully, because there's nothing holding them in place, so they could come out loose. And once you do so, the cards should start working right away. As you can see, it's telling me to verify my PIN for the SIM card, so that's what I'm gonna do, which unlocks my SIM card. And I already see that we do have a notification. Where are the notifications here? There we go. We have a notification regarding our SD card that I have inserted as well. So both of these cards are being detected without any additional steps past inserting it into the device. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.